Hey everyone, thanks for clicking on this video. This is my tutorial for really glowy skin and a makeup tutorial, so if you want to know how I achieve this, then keep on watching. I like this foundation. I really want to try the Tilbury airbrush foundation or the Magic foundation, one of them, but I kind of want to be colour matched properly and like try them out first, like all the different types in a shop, which we can't do now. I might order online, who knows. I want to try this some more of the stuff actually, like the lip glosses and the bronzer and the highlighters look so good. Going in with my collection concealer in the shade Fair. Love this product, and I put it under my eyes. Just think it's the best concealer, it's so good. Then I put it down the bridge of my nose, on my chin, on my forehead as well. I feel like having a lighter concealer is so important for highlighting. Then I take my Real Technique sponge and I just blend that out. Okay, just blending that. Blending. Once that's all blended in like that, I'm going to go in with my Cura Powder and I'm going to put that under my eye with a sponge, Real Techniques again. I'm just going to pack that under so it like bakes. That's all packed on there. I'm going to put some on my chin. And then I'm just going to put some on the rest of my face. I like glowy makeup, but I also don't want to be shiny or have my foundation like come off during the day. So I do think powder is quite important. You can always add the glow afterwards. Right. Now I just let that sit for a while while I do the rest of my makeup. Okay, now I'm going to go in with my Real Techniques angled brush and I'm going to take my Sleek contour kit and I'm going to use obviously the dark shade to contour. Just going to dab that in there, suck in my cheeks. And I take it on my forehead and under my chin. Forehead again. Now I'm going to go in with my blush. So today I'm using my MAC Archie's Girls Collection blush. Used to have hearts in it. It's in the shade Flatter Me. I absolutely love this blush. And I'm so sad it's running out. So I'm going to take my Real Technique blush brush and swirl that around and then smile. Take it quite high up. I like this because it's not so bright, you know. It's very subtle and I really like that. Okay, and now I'm going to brush the powder away using another Real Techniques powder brush. And that's how that's looking. I feel like I need a bit more blush, so I'm going to go in with it again. Okay, blush, contour, powder, foundation and concealer, done. So now I'm going to go in with my highlighter. So I'm going to use another Real Techniques little brush and this one, and then I'm going to use the Becca Cosmetics highlighter in Champaygne Pop, one of my faves. I'm going to brush that on my cheekbones. Love this. Also running out, but I also have a Fenty one that's very similar, and they're just both amazing. Now my cupid's bow and my nose, and then down and above my eyebrow. Right, so that's all on. Love that. Now I'm going to add some extra glow with my Fenty Beauty How Many Carats Diamond Bomb. Absolutely stunning. Would definitely recommend this. It's like pure glitter, and then you put it on your cheeks and it just intensifies the glow. So now time for eyes and eyebrows. So the first thing I'm going to use is my Wonderful Brow by Rimmel. It's just a brow brush like that, and it's quite dark. And I literally, the only thing I do to my eyebrows is I don't even pluck them anymore. I just brush them with this and they look alright. So I used to get them dyed and stuff, and I just thought it just looked too dark for my face. I hated it. So now I just use a little bit of this every day. I don't need to spend all that money to get them dyed when it literally, I prefer it lighter. There's that. So there's what my eyebrows look like with that in. First I'm going to go in with my Kohl pencil by Barry M, just black. I always go in with one of these on my waterline. Now I'm going to curl my eyelashes with this Primark eyelash curler. Okay, they're both curled. And now I'm going to go in with my Charlotte Tilbury Full Fat Lashes mascara. And I'm just going to put that on. There's one coat. And there is 2 coats. So I love this mascara, it's brilliant. Okay, so that's it for the eyes and the eyebrows. I don't do much on a daily basis, especially because it's locked down, I'm not going anywhere. And now I'm just going to do lips. So I'm going to go in with my Soar Lip Liner by MAC. Love this lip liner, it's brilliant. Just going to line my lips. Okay, there they are all lined. Now I'm going to go in with my Charlotte Tilbury lipstick in Kim KW. This is what it looks like. Lovely nude. Love this lipstick. Okay, so there's that. Now I'm just going to add a gloss on top. I'm going to use this Topshop lip gloss. I love this one in the shade Chameleon Lip Gloss Charm School. And it's like pink and glittery. I've used it loads, it's kind of running out. There we go. So that is the finished makeup tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed it. This is the finished makeup look. I really hope you've enjoyed. It's super glowy, super natural. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Thank you for watching, guys.